Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number, and I'd like to start with the contact list, so the numbers you've got currently saved. Let's enter your contact list. Let's tap on contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right lower corner, and here we have to tap on block contact. And as you can see right here, we've got the information that this number has been blocked, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here and tap on remove from block list, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist, because that's the section we will enter in our second way of blocking the number, which is more manual. So let's go back, and here we have to go to the phone section, so the dialer. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. Right now we can set some call block rules or message block rules. It's basically up to you. Just tap on it, and here you can decide whether you want to block incoming calls, unknown numbers, private or withheld numbers. And the same situation with the messages. But let me focus on entering the blacklist basically. So let's tap on this not edit, but how is it called? Settings icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, so finally the section we want to check. And after tapping on it, you can see that here we've got the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option also works. Right here we've got this plus icon, and thanks to tapping on it, we can either add the number manually or paste it if you've got it copied, block prefix, add from contacts again, but this time you will be able to choose a lot of numbers and block them in a row with only one click from call log and messages. So let me tap on add manually, for example, to show you, and as you can see, you can enter it freely and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the block list. Of course, as you can see, you can check how much blocked calls and messages your device recorded. If you want to unblock the number, simply tap on it and hold it, and now you can either select all and remove all, or mark those which you want to delete. Tap on remove and tap on remove. And as you can see, the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.